Hey guys, welcome to Tips and Tricks. This is Viren here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to how to stream your Android phone or device onto a PC or a laptop using the internet or just the Wi-Fi. For this, you need an application called as Webkey. As you can see, I already have it here from Google Store. I'm going to open it. Alright, so the first time it opens, you see an option called as Start Service. I'm going to hit Start Service. Okay. So there are some other applications available like Mirror OP or something like that. Okay, but we'll use Webkey this time. So I'm going to go to settings now. So in settings, if you can see here, the user settings option is grayed out. Alright, I'm going to uncheck the first option which says auto start because I want to make sure that I start this program. And I will go back to control and again hit start service. Okay, these are the permissions. It's asking me because my phone is rooted. If you don't know what that means, uh, just go to the internet and search for it. I have another video. Basically, rooting is all about having complete control on your phone, and there are some applications which require rooting. Just like you have admin access on the computers. So you cannot install those applications unless you have rooting access. So anyways, let's get back to this. I'm going to go to settings again, and now you can see the user settings is enabled. I'm going to go to user settings. I'm going to create a user. I'm going to call it Viren, and I'm going to keep a simple password as it Viren123. Okay, so I've created the user. I'm going to save it. Alright, so now I'm going to go to remote screen, and I'm going to keep this option checked which says use webkey.cc gateway, because I'm not going to use internet, so I won't use the uh, direct connect option. But before that, I want to connect my phone to the laptop using Wi-Fi. So I'm going to open my Wi-Fi. So basically I'm enabling the hotspot. So I'm going to enable the hotspot so that my phone is recognized by my PC. Okay, once the hotspot is on, all I need to do is go to my browser and look for this IP address. Go to control. Now if you see here in the control option, there is a IP address. So what I need to do is I just need to go to my computer, open the browser, and just put in this IP address, and I can see my phone. Alright, so I'm going to go to my PC now, and let's see if I can screen this. As you can see, there is no internet. I'm going to use that IP address which is on the phone 190. Okay, so it's already here. I'm going to hit enter, and there you see. So I'm going to click on login, and the password is Viren123, and there you go. My phone is now being screened. Now on here you can see there are a lot of options. I can go to the screen properties and make it horizontal if I want to play a game. So I can, now I'm doing it from my phone. So as you can see, I can play a game. Alright, so I'm gonna exit out of it, and that's it. So you can control this from the mouse here also on the PC. I'm gonna make it vertical once again, just uncheck this option. There are lots of other options which you can try. It's kind of slow, but it is working with the mouse. You can say yes. Alright, at last it's so with the mouse, if you can see, I can just move on the screens. Here also it's kind of little, it's little hung. And I know why that's why is that happening, because I have some applications running in the background here. The hotspot, the battery is low, and that's why it's behaving like this. So from the phone, I'm gonna just kill all those applications. You can do it from the mouse also. Okay. Okay, it's a little slow. And as I said earlier, a lot of things are running in the background. But I've tried this earlier and it does work. It's nice. There are some other applications also, and soon I'll come up with a video on those as well. And one more thing that you can remember for this is, now we are connected via just this IP. You can connect through the internet also, but I'm just connected to my browser through the Wi-Fi. As you can see here, that's my Wi-Fi hotspot. So the password for this is different than the password that we used here, just to let you know. How to create a hotspot, that I've already covered in one video, but if you want to know, I can do it here. What you can do is, for your hotspot connectivity, you can go to settings. These settings may be different in some other phones. You can go to mode networks, you can go to mobile networks. I'm sorry, you need to go to tethering and hotspot, portable hotspot. So I'll go to portable hotspot, and as you can see here, you can configure. I've already configured one username and password. This is just to make sure that you can connect to your friends and share your internet, or simply connect the device. In this case, I've just connected to my PC using this user ID and password, which is this here, you can see here. So once you're connected to your PC via your phone through this ID, you can then go to the web browser and connect through the password and the username that we set up in the Webkey, which was different. One more thing you can see here, you can go to allowed devices. You can hard code. You can just hit the plus sign. You can add some devices here. If you know the devices names of your friends, you can just, and you'll make sure that they stay connected all the time. You can use that device name here and the MAC address. Anyways, just wanted to give you this additional information as to how to create the hotspot. That's about it. Thank you guys.